Team, over the next 2 lessons or over the next couple of hours at home, you are going to be creating an understanding of the spatial variations of the sand dunes within the Muriwai coastal environment and how our processes are actually different within different parts of our coastal environment and how they create the spatial variations. So your task is to read through this Google Slides. There are 19 slides, but they're all broken down into bite-sized pieces of work for you, and you'll see that the spatial variations are broken down into 3 spatial variations. And those are the 3 main spatial variations that you'll talk about within the Muriwai coastal environment. Just a reminder, spatial variations is how something varies or changes within a space or between different locations. Remember, our locations in the Muriwai coastal environment are the north up by Okiritoto Stream, the south by Otakamiro Point, and even further south at Māori Bay. Once you've read through the Google Slides, please come over to your Google Doc and you'll see you have 9 questions that you have to answer. What I'm going to do to simplify this down even more and to help you out a little bit further is I'm going to write down here what slide you can find the information on. I'm not going to be as available to answer your emails or your texts or your private messages, but please send them through, because if I don't get to them tomorrow, I will definitely get to them over the next week. Put them in our stream as well, because maybe Mrs. Hayter or Mr. Williamson will be able to answer those questions for you. Thanks so much for all your hard work. I'm really looking forward to seeing your answers and seeing your knowledge of the spatial variations of the Muriwai coastal environment grow. Cheers team, look after yourselves.